How to place an order on Best Buy. So if you want to place an order on Best Buy, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and then you can search for Best Buy. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.bestbuy.com, and it will take you to the website. And once it takes to the website, go for the upper right side, which has that account option, and make sure to sign in or log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you can simply scroll down or you can simply search for the item which you would like to buy. So, for example, I'll be choosing this item. And once you've chosen, scroll down and here you can view all of the options available. And once you've chosen, here on the right side you will have all of this processor model or the storage capacity. You can choose all of that, and then the screen size, the screen resolution, graphics, and everything that you would like. And after that you can click on add to cart, and you can go for go to cart, which is on the bottom right. And here, if you want to get the My Best Buy Plus, then you can save up to $50. You can get some discounts. Or if you don't want that, then you can simply go back. And here you will have your item, right? So you can simply go for checkout, which is on the right side. Click on checkout, and here you can see that your total will be this much. And then you can scroll down again, and here you need to enter your phone number. And once you enter your phone number, click on continue to payment information. And once you enter the phone number, now here you need to enter your credit or debit card number, and then you can choose the process that you would like to order. And then you need to enter your billing address, which is you need to enter your first and last name, and then your address, and you need to enter the city, the state that you would like to deliver it to, and then the zip code. And once you enter all of this information, you need to scroll down, and here if you want to donate something to the cancer patients, then you can donate it, and you can click on place your order. And once you place your order will be delivered within the given time. So that's it. That's how to place an order on Best Buy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.